Most are one decision away from their best shape. That decision isn't about working harder, but working smarter. Transformations happen with less effort that still yields results. I'll show you what that looks like shortly. If you want straightforward fitness advice, like and subscribe. Your support helps reach those in need. Imagine finding the perfect program. 6 days, cardio, strength, a meal plan. You feel motivated, set a start date, but by midweek, cracks appear. Soon, you're searching again for a plan you can stick with. This isn't about lack of discipline, it's a design issue. Most plans aren't made for real lives. They assume you have unlimited time and recovery, but that's unrealistic. The fitness industry sells plans to a fictional ideal. Effective long-term plans aren't complex. They withstand real life, late nights, stress, travel and illness. Simplicity isn't a compromise, it's a strategy for success. Let's discuss what a simple plan looks like and why it works. In pharmacology, the minimum effective dose is key. The same applies to training. Overworking doesn't yield substantial gains. Studies show 2 to 3 hard sets per muscle group 2 to 3 times weekly yield similar results as more sets. You only need 30 to 40 minutes 3 times a week for effective strength training. This isn't a beginner's plan. It's a solid, evidence-backed approach for long-term strength and fitness. Culturally, we associate fitness with more sessions and sacrifices. But true fitness rewards the right stimulus and recovery. Strip away excess to create a manageable routine. Let's make this tangible. 3 sessions a week, focusing on 1 push, 1 pull, and 1 lower body movement. Each major muscle group is addressed efficiently. For your push movement, pick 1 exercise and stick to it. Perform 3 sets and track your reps. Next session, aim to beat your previous performance. Apply this to your pull movement. Whether it's a row, pull-up, or band pull-apart, it's 1 exercise, 3 sets, tracked and progressed. For the lower body, alternate a squat or hinge pattern with 3 tracked sets each session. No need for complicated routines or spreadsheets. Just 6 to 9 hard sets, logged and progressed 3 times a week, is enough for most people. Commit to this for 12 months. It's more effective than rotating intense plans. Consistency with a simple plan beats intensity every time. Effort is the key variable often ignored. Muscular effort, where the last rep is genuinely hard, drives progress. Short sessions tempt coasting, but genuine workouts require effort until near failure. Only then do you stimulate muscle growth. Sets should end close to your maximum capacity. If you can do 12 reps, stopping at 8 isn't effective. Aim for 10 or 11. Those extra reps create real change. Simple doesn't mean easy. It means focused. Short sessions yield results because they're purposeful, not light. The fitness industry thrives on complexity, more products and programs. But those consistently building strong bodies often follow simpler routines than what's often promoted. 3 sessions weekly, 3 movements per session, 3 sets per movement. Track, progress, and exert effort. This isn't a minimum. It's a sustainable approach that works. Less information, more follow-through is essential. You need something simple enough for tough weeks, but structured for growth during good ones. Start this week. Track everything. Aim to add 1 rep or kilogram each session. Show up again in 3 days and repeat. After a year, see how far you've come. Simple works. It has always worked. Time is the only barrier between you and proof.